Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Aurangabad location. It is from Maharashtra. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job opening for accounts assistant position from Belite Springs Private Limited. It is located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. So coming to job description, you need to collect and sort invoices and checks, and you need to mail checks to both other businesses and employees, and supporting supervisory and executive staff by performing any assigned accounting and clerical tasks, and keep a through record of all company charges and as well as any refunds that have been issued. You need to assist senior accounting personnel with any tasks conducted within the accounting department or any tasks that require accounting personnel to take part. And you can check with all the responsibilities provided here. And if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can check in the official website link provided here. And I will also provide this link in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for data entry trainer position from NIIT Foundation for Aurangabad location, and salary will be between 13,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. Coming to job description, preparation of sessions as per training guidelines and material applicable for the program, conducting classes as per schedule and methodology, and ensuring students attendance and participation in the session, and counseling students as and when required to enable their placement in jobs, and you need to helping with students mobilization in nearby community. So this is about the job description. Next, coming to experience or skills details, the candidate should be strong with basics of computer, and you should be having knowledge with the tally and accounting packages. It will be required, and the person should be comfortable in training students, and the candidate should be having good written and oral communication skills, and the candidate who is comfortable to go in the community and can convince students for the course, and you should be having knowledge of tally and accounting package. So it will be required to apply for this position. You can check here with the note provided here, and you please check with all the details provided here, and if you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is hr@niitfoundation.org. Next one, there is a job opening for digital marketing trainer position. It is for Aurangabad location. It is from NIIT Foundation. So salary will be between 25,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. Coming to responsibilities and duties, preparation of sessions as per training guidelines and material applicable for the program, and conducting classes as per schedule and methodology, ensuring students attendance and participation in the sessions, counseling students as when required to enable their placements in jobs, and you need to support and lead center process. So these are the responsibilities and the duties. Next, coming to key skills required, you should be having knowledge in digital marketing, SEO tools and SEM, and also email marketing, and you should be having 1 to 3 years of experience to apply for this position. And coming to qualification details, you must be a graduate. So if you are willing to apply for this position, then you can apply to this position by sending your resume to the provided mail id, that is hr@niitfoundation.org. Next one, there is a job opening for IT interns. It is from Afra Techno Solutions for Aurangabad location. So they have vacancies available for graphic designer, content writer, web developer, and also at last for video editor positions. You need to work on live projects as interns, and paid projects will provide after completion of 3 months of internship. So it will be a very good opportunity to work on live projects. So you please check with all the details. So if you have any queries regarding these job openings, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8237342856. Next one, there is a job opening for sales commission agents. It is from DD Solar. It is for Aurangabad location, Maharashtra. So position will be sales commission agent, and you should be having 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in solar industry. So it is for Aurangabad, Guwahati, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Pune, Varanasi locations. So it will be located in all these locations provided here. So you please check with the commission provided here. Next, coming to requirements, you should be having excellent knowledge of solar business and also knowledge of UPS, inverters, batteries, wattage calculation and electrical knowledge is compulsory, and you must be a BCom graduate or engineering degree graduate, and relevant number of years of experience is required in solar industry, and the candidates having experience of channel shall be preferred, and you should be having excellent communication and relationship building and negotiation skills. So you please check with all the requirements provided here, and you can also check with the experience details and other details. And if you are willing to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is rcsoni@ddsolar.in. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing executive position from InfoGit Informatics Private Limited. It is for Aurangabad location. So this is about the job description. You please go through with the information provided here. If you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is talent@infogid.com. Next, there is a job opening for IT technical content writer position from InfoGid Informatics Private Limited. It is for Aurangabad location. So for this position, you should be having 1 year of experience. Next, coming to job description, study product samples, and you need to communicate with the product designers and also developers to understand product details, collaborate with the technical staff, analyze and manage existing and potential content, and you need to create and maintain the information architecture, make high quality documentation that meets standards, is appropriate and easy to use, and produce and distribute tutorials to help end users use a variety of applications, and you need to research and collect usability feedback from customers, designers, and also from manufacturers. So this is about the job description. Next, coming to skills required, you should be having some years of experience as a technical writer or similar role, and you should be having some years of experience in technical writing of software documentation, and ability to translate highly technical information into easily understandable information for customers. And you should be having skills like creative skills and also usage of photographs, drawings, diagrams, animations, and charts. So these are the some of the skills required for this position. So you please check with all the information provided here. If you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is talent@infogid.com. Next one, there is a job opening for mean stack developer position from InfoGid Informatics Private Limited. So it is for Aurangabad location. So salary will be between 20,000 to 50,000 rupees per month. So you should be having some skills like Angular, Node.js, and MongoDB. So you should be having knowledge on all these platforms provided here, and you should be having 2 to 3 years of experience to apply for this position, and you should be well versed with the technology and handy-on development. So you please check with all the details provided here. If you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is talent@infogid.com. Next one, there is a job opening for sales executive retail sales position for Aurangabad location. So it is from Durian Industries Limited. So salary will be between 15,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. You must be a graduate. So these are the qualification details, and you should be having minimum 3 years of experience in retail sales to apply for this position. You need to report to showroom manager. So industry will be retail, premium products, furniture, and home decor. So next, coming to duties and responsibilities, the person must use their initiative to source new clients, This includes following leads, visiting potential clients, and giving sales presentations. Identifies business opportunities by identifying prospects and evaluating their position in the industry, researching and analyzing sales options. Sells products by establishing contact and developing relationships with the prospects, recommending solutions. So these are the duties and responsibilities. You please go through with the information provided here. If you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is recruit@durian.in. Next one, there is a job opening for marketing executive position from Krelite Technologies Private Limited. So it is located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. So coming to job description, you need to conduct market research to identify selling possibilities and evaluate customer needs, and actively seek out new sales opportunities through cold calling, networking, and social media. Set up meetings with potential clients and listen to their wishes and concerns. Quotation building. Prepare and deliver appropriate presentations on products and services, and you need to create frequent reviews and reports with sales and financial data, and you need to participate on behalf of the company in exhibitions or conferences, and you negotiate or close deals, and to handle complaints or objections. So you please check with all the job description provided here. If you are suitable to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is krelitetech@gmail.com. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.